Hello, I'm Krishna Raghavendran, and in this tutorial of MIT App Inventor, we are going to see how to create a speed meter app using MIT App Inventor. So for this, we are going to use the GPS or the location sensor which is present in MIT App Inventor. So as you can see, I'm walking right now, and you can see that it shows the speed in which I'm walking. If you are new to my channel is all about creating your own mobile apps free and easily using a tool called MIT App Inventor, which is block based coding and easy. So if you want to create fantastic mobile apps, start now by clicking the red subscribe button and the bell icon. So first we are going to bring in a label, and let's change the text of this label to be speed. Now I'm going to make the font to be bold, and let's increase the font size of this to be 30 like this. Next, I'm also going to change the text color of this label to be red like this. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this to be at the center of screen 1. So for that, let's go to screen 1 and change align horizontal and align vertical both to be center like you can see here. Now you can see that this label came to the center of the screen. Next, we are also going to bring in another label, and here what we will do is we will put 0 meters per second. Note that the location sensor will generate the speed in meters per second. If you want to convert it, you can do that in the block section. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the font size of this to be 25 like this, and I'll make the font to be bold. Next, as I told you before, we are going to use the location sensor or the GPS to find the speed in which we are traveling. So for that, here you can see, let's go to sensors, and you'll be able to see the location sensor. Let's bring it here. Now let's go to the block section. So first let's go to the location sensor, and you need to bring in this block when location sensor 1 dot location changed. This means that whenever the location is changed or a new location has been detected, what we are going to do is we are going to show the speed in this label. So as you can see, there's a variable called speed here, so we can use that. So let's go to label 2. So label 2 is this label where we can show the speed. So here in label 2, I'm going to bring in this block set label 2.text2, and then the text is going to be, first we are going to use the join block. Let's bring it here, and then first we will show the speed. After the speed, we also need to show the unit, which is meters per second. So what we will do is let's go to text, and we are going to bring a string here, and I'm going to put a space and then make sure you put meters per second like this. So what this will do is using the GPS or the location sensor, it will find the speed in which we are traveling, and it will show it in label 2. If you want to convert this unit to any other unit like kilometers per hour or any other unit, so for that what you can do is in the math blocks you can see that there are different operations. You can use the multiplication and the division operation to do that. So here you can see the app. You can see that it shows the speed as 0.74 meters per second right now. I'm going to walk a little fast right now, and now you can see that it shows 1.36 meters per second. I'll walk fast and it's 1.44 meters per second. Now you can see that it is 1.48 meters per second. Next, do you want to create an app which will find the location in which you are living using the GPS? Watch this video and also watch my full course of MIT App Inventor here.